Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today is Tag Tuesday and I'm going to be working with my Lavender Tea Time journal kit and add-on kit. So what I've got here is two of the large tags from the journal kit and their corresponding pockets. I've got some of the journal words and the ephemera from both of the journal kit and the add-on kit. And then I've got a couple of stamps from the add-on kit, and then I've just punched 2 1-inch circles from one of the decorative papers. And then I've just got some embroidery floss, some brads and some lace. So my plan today is, because this is a tea themed tag, I am wanting to make a tag that will flip open, because these are sort of, you know, they're shaped like a tea bag. I thought that I would use those and have them flip open with the pockets and everything on the inside, and then I was going to use the stamps as like the tab on the string of the tea bag. So how I'm going to join these together is, when I cut out the pockets from the journal kit, I've just left a little bit of the white paper on the bottom of this so that I've made a tab. So I'm planning to glue that to one of the tags, and then glue it to the other tag so that it makes a flip. Okay, so grab your a tea or coffee or your drink of choice, preferably a tea because it's tea themed today. But yeah, sit back and follow along and I'll see how this goes together. Thank you for crafting along with me today as I made this tea bag tag for Tag Tuesday using the Lavender Tea Time kits that are available in my Etsy store. You might like to check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find these kits along with lots of other kits for your crafting projects. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group. I give away a stack of freebies every month and we have lots of crafting fun. And please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafting tutorials.